Okay, so welcome back, everyone. For all of the fanatics of AI computer vision, today Luca and I are going to walk you through the top resources for this area in artificial intelligence. Luca?
Well, the first one is certainly PyImage Search. And this is a website that became kind of the reference for computer vision. It was founded by a PhD computer vision engineer called Adrian Rosenbrock. And it is more than a website where there is a lot of resources. It's also a community of students and developers that share the passion for computer vision. And there are step-by-step guides, there are how-to guides, and also books and courses that Adrian is selling. I think we're not shy to recommend these resources. They're very good. They're very easy to digest. Then I think the second one is the Google Research blog. This contains computer vision, but also more broadly speaking, work in AI and machine learning in general, because as you know, computer vision is part of the AI science and discipline. So in the Google Research blog, you will find also a lot about images, a lot about videos, and it's very easy to navigate those. There are some topics that are a little bit more technical than others, but I strongly recommend it because that's where we source the latest news on computer vision and machine learning development.
Very interesting. Okay, and then for our third one, so it's called Spigatron. Spigatron. This is a surname of the man who heads it, and I think he's from Poland. He's from Eastern Europe or something like this. So he's an author, and he has a PhD in computer vision. And what's more interesting is that he also has a master's in theology and in philosophy. So they're all kind of yeah, it's very different disciplines running into each other. So he writes very interesting things that are going on in the world of computer vision, and he does reviews of books in AI and tech in general. And of the experts in this field, he's one of the few who really likes talking about the ethical connotations around the area. And because he has a background in theology and philosophy, he really is able to grill down on what these ethical conundrums mean and what are the precedents from that kind of field, if that makes sense.
And let's not forget the one and only Stack Overflow. And sometimes my engineers sometimes they just send funny messages on Slack saying, "Oh, Stack Overflow is down. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna stop working," because as with other disciplines like software development, it has become an essential part of our daily work. It's not only a let's say a big forum. It is also an unbelievably large and diverse repository of know-how. Okay, so you have a problem, you go to Stack Overflow, and you find somebody who has that specific solution that is ready for you. So we strongly recommend it, even for computer vision and machine learning related projects. I think that there are now, let's say, sub versions or versions that are related to Stack Overflow, and they are specifically devoted to statistics, specifically devoted to artificial intelligence. So dig deeper. There's a ton of information, a ton of questions answered, and guess what? You can contribute. So you can become proficient in machine learning and computer vision by answering the questions of other people.
That's very
Do we have
interesting.
another one, Michelle? KD Nuggets. Nuggets, yes, absolutely. I know this, and it is a little bit more dated, but still very interesting to find research papers, even job applications, and yeah, look for computer vision. KD Nuggets is there to help you. There are many more. But I think this is already a good starting point if you start with these 5. Good. Michelle, we're on time. Anything else you would like to
Yes.
share with our audience in this episode?
No, for now, that's all of it. But if any of you have your own resources that you would like to share, please do comment it below and we'll have a look at them as well.